Today I'll walk you through how to add widgets to Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Notion workspace with interactive widgets so you can elevate your productivity and organization. To get started, open your Notion application. On your Notion screen, navigate to the page where you want to place your widget. If you don't have a page yet, feel free to create a new one. This is like choosing the perfect canvas for your artwork. The right space can make all the difference. Once you're on the desired page, type the command / followed by the word embed, that is, type /embed. A pop-up box will appear prompting you to enter the URL of your desired widget. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same across versions. Now, let's say you want to add a weather widget. I found a great one at weatherwidget.io. I copied the code for my chosen widget and used a service called Aption to generate a URL for it. This is similar to finding the right ingredients for a recipe. You want to ensure you have everything you need before you start cooking. Next, paste the URL into the pop-up box on Notion and wait for the widget to load. This may take a moment, so be patient. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once the widget appears, you can adjust its size and position on your page to fit your layout preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully added a widget to your Notion page. This simple addition can significantly enhance your workspace, making it more interactive and visually appealing. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.